Hi, I'm Chris from Mankwe Overlanding. Overlanding camping sucks. You have to deal with so many things during your camp. This weather and this and that and so on. Overlanding camping sucks. You have to deal with weather, rainy days, hot days, sunny days, good days, bad days. You have to deal with all of them during your trip. Then you have to deal with your bed. You don't sleep in your bed. It's either bed, it's a blow-up mattress, or it's a thin mattress. You're uncomfortable. Every morning you get up and so on, you're stiff. You don't feel like you've rested well, but you have to deal with it. Then clothes is another thing. You pack for 21 to 23 days. There's a lot of clothes. You pack it into a bag. Every day you have to scramble to get the clothes out that you want to wear. You have to push everything back in there. By day 15, day 16, 21 and so on, it looks like you come out of a tumble dryer. Then you have to deal with a limited space, so limited food. You don't have access to a lot of Woolies, Checkers. You have to take everything with you, or you have to deal with availability of food where you are. So you have to pack all your food, drinks and cold drinks and ice into your fridge freezers. So space becomes another problem in your fridge freezers. You have to take sometimes 2 fridge freezers to cater for everything. You have to pack utensils, things, pots and pans, stuff to be able to prepare your food, to make food, to cook your food. They're all packed into wolf packs, and they're all over the places and all over the wolf packs and so on. But if you don't put it in the wolf pack, it's all over the place. When you stand, you have to deal with dust. We travel through a lot of dusty areas, so your vehicle or your caravan trailer is full of dust. The moment you open something, you're full of dust. Or you stand and it rains and you stand in the mud to prepare your food, to prepare coffee, miserable, uncomfortable. Then you want to get dressed. It's not the easiest thing to get dressed in a rooftop tent, or you have to go to the bathrooms. Some of the bathrooms are very basic. You have to get into pajamas to the bathroom, you have to walk. Or when it's far away, you have to get into your car, travel there, get dressed, and come back. We've tried and tested a lot of things on there. We've got experience over 30 trips by itself. And we promised ourselves, one of the things that we want to do is every time we get back, we make a list of the things that we utilized, the things that we don't utilize, the things that we missed, some of the process or some of the way we do the workings for ourselves. Did it work? Should we change to something else? We would like you to like and subscribe, because we don't want you to miss any future of our episodes. We will go through all the challenges that we've gone through and the way we've solved it for ourselves, and maybe there's something to learn. Not everything, but maybe just 1 or 2 things. We believe there is something that we can share with everybody. One of the examples that we've tested ourselves and so on is that making coffee in the morning. I usually get up at 5:30 in the morning. Then I would like to make a cup of coffee. Now normally it's a scramble, because you have to open up all the wolf packs, try to find where the coffee, where the kettle, where the sugar, where the teaspoons are. Then we started asking ourselves on them, why don't we have the same issue when we're at home? The cups are always at the same place. Sugar is at the same place. Teaspoons, your kettle, your coffee, everything is in the same place every time, and it goes back into the same place. So we've asked ourselves, so why can't we make our camping exactly the same? Use the same philosophy. Nowadays, everything is packed, has got its place, and it's packed in its place. So if you utilize it there, it has to go back in that specific place. Because if you want it, you can go there, you can fetch it. You don't have to dig and search for things on there. Cheers. Another thing that's on there is where you get a lot of irritation there, is to set up camp, to set up the tent, awnings and so on there. What we've done for ourselves on there is that we divided the work between myself and Mankwe. She knows exactly what to do. I know exactly what to do. So we don't trample over everybody's footsteps and so on there. So when we stop, we know exactly what to take out. We know exactly what to do, and we are in sync with one another there. We've taken all the gripe and the irritation out of that. We just completed a 23-day overland tour through the Kruger National Park, basically testing all of our equipment, utensils, as well as menu options that we think should be valuable during an overland trip. If you would like to see what we've got to say, please like and subscribe. By the end of this video, here is a short clip of our trip for you to enjoy.